Hi, today I am doing the common problem BMW 3 Series 2006 to 2011, and that's the Siemens ECU on there, MSD80. And the common problem of this one, when you diagnose it, and then you can see here, I can show you, this is the common problem, is 30 BB and injector number 2 and 3 DD and 30 BA and 30 BB. That's two common code is coming. Rest of that 29 CD, 29 CE, 29 CF and 29 DO. That's the internal problem of the ECU and misfiring, and the injector number 1 and 4, sometime 2 and 3 is coming. If you have like this type of problem or this type of code, you have to bring the ECU to us or bring the car to us. We can ready your ECU in 1 hour. We can do fast service, and your problem gonna be fixed. You can see my other videos. My name is Terry and we are in Hounslow. My phone number is 07402536382. If you have any problem, just contact through WhatsApp or call me and send me the picture of your ECU. We will come back to you. And if you have any problem like this, you can call anytime and book the appointment. My postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango 171 Hanmouth Road, and you can call anytime. You can see my other videos. We can repair all type of ECUs, gearboxes, crash data resets and instrument cluster repair, everything. So you can call anytime. Thanks for watching for our video. Thank you. Bye.